Hi everyone, welcome to my this proven review. It's a weight loss supplement, and in this video I'm going to tell you the good and bad about this supplement so you can decide easily that whether you have to purchase this supplement or not. And if you stick till the end, I'm going to tell you that how you can purchase this supplement at the lowest price available, and it's a special discount for you. And I'm not just saying it, I will show you proof of this, that how you can get discount. So make sure to watch this video till end. So first we are going to discuss the good about this supplement, and then we will move on towards the thing I don't like about this supplement. Okay, the first thing I really like is that the supplement is approved from FDA, which means that the supplement has been tested by many experts in labs before it comes to market, and it's also certified from GMP, which means that the product has been manufactured and controlled according to quality standards, and this makes the product 100% safe without any side effect, which is a very great thing. Like other products may work for you, but they come with a lot of side effects which are harmful for your body, and this supplement is without any side effect, and that's why I highly recommend to the people who come to me and ask that whether you have to purchase this supplement or not. And the next thing I really like is that according to the official website, more than 76,000 people have used this supplement, and they get benefited of it. Okay, they have used this supplement and they have lost weight. So 76,000 people, it's a big number. Okay, and now you have to decide that whether you want to become one of them or not. And the next thing I really like is that the supplement contains natural ingredients, so you are putting the natural thing in your body, and not putting any artificial and GMO things like genetically modified organisms that are harmful for your body. And so now let's talk about the things I don't like about this supplement. There are a few things I don't like about this supplement. The first is that you can purchase this supplement only from its official website, so you can't go to market to purchase the supplement for yourself by yourself. Okay, and you can only purchase it online on its official website, and I will leave the link on it of its official website, so you can go out after watching this video and purchase this product online. And the next thing I don't like is that if you're children or pregnant woman, you can't use this supplement. And there's one other precaution for you, that if you have cancer or asthma or any other disease for more than 3 months, then you should consult your doctor first and then use this supplement. And the next thing, there are a few other things, some benefits of this supplement I'm going to tell you. I've written here and I'm going to tell you. The first, primarily, this supplement will help you to lose weight. Okay, that's definite. And the next thing is that it also lower your inflammation, and it also helps you to detoxify your body and eliminate toxic substances from your body. And it helps you to maintain your blood pressure and blood cholesterol, which is a very great thing. And the good thing about this supplement is that it will keep you energetic throughout the day, and it will boost your mood, and also it will help your mental health, which is a very great thing. So there are a lot of other benefits. The one I really like, I'm going to tell you, that is that you can lose weight at the targeted areas such as the hips, belly and thigh. Like most people want to lose weight, okay, of these parts, like especially belly. So this is very important. Like this supplement is going to target all these areas, so I highly recommend you to purchase this supplement if you're looking to lose weight. And I have given the link in the description, so you can go out and check it out at a discount price available.
So as I promised with you people that I will show you that how you can purchase this product at discount price, so I'm here. So what you have to do is to click the link I have given below in the description. That's the official that's the link of the official website of Proven. So when you will click the link, you will be directed to this page. So you can see here like this. Let me zoom in. So you can see here every package, like it's not on its original price right now, it's on a discount price. Let me zoom out right now. So you can see every package is on discount right now. So I don't know that when this discount price is going to, this discount is going to get off. So make sure to purchase this product before this discount is not available. So that's it. I hope you like this video. Like this video if you really like, and comment your review, and Allah Hafiz.